jars effortlessly with the Otstar Jar Opener. Perfect for weak hands, seniors with arthritis, or anyone with low strength. This 6-in-1 tool grips and twists lids from 1 to 3 inches. The long handle provides extra leverage, and the rubber lining ensures a secure grip. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for any kitchen. It's the perfect solution for hassle-free opening. Transform your coffee into a cafe-style masterpiece with the Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. This ultra-fast handheld mixer whips up rich, creamy froth in seconds. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha. Powered by 2 Duracell batteries, it's compact, powerful, and effortless to use. A durable metal stand ensures easy access, and cleaning is as simple as a quick rinse. Transform your kitchen with the KitchenArt Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel. This sleek, rotating spice organizer holds up to 12 spices and dispenses a precise 1/4 teaspoon with a simple twist. No measuring spoons needed. Made from durable plastic, it's built to last while keeping your spices neatly stored. Stackable and equipped with 55 spice labels, it eliminates clutter and makes cooking more efficient. Upgrade your kitchen with the expandable roll-up dish drying rack. This rust-resistant stainless steel rack fits, sinks up to 22.8 inches, providing a sturdy space for drying dishes, washing produce, and cooling cookware. It rolls up for compact storage, while anti-slip grips keep it secure. With 2 storage baskets for utensils, it keeps everything organized. Functional, durable, and space-saving, this must-have kitchen essential makes everyday tasks effortless. Keep your snacks fresh with the ODSD 2-in-1 Mini Bag Sealer. This compact handheld device seals and cuts bags effortlessly, preventing spills and locking in freshness. No preheating required. Just press, clamp, and slide for an instant airtight seal. Designed for convenience, it features a magnetic strip and lanyard for easy storage. Perfect for home, travel, and outdoor adventures, this must-have kitchen gadget ensures your favorite snacks stay crisp and delicious. Keep your essentials within reach with the magnetic remote control holder. Featuring powerful N52 magnets, it securely holds remotes, keys, and small metal items. The soft, eco-friendly silicone protects surfaces while blending seamlessly into any space. Easy to install with a self-adhesive backing, no tools needed. Perfect for home or office, it maximizes space and keeps everything organized. Stay organized effortlessly with the handy laundry collapsible mesh pop-up hamper. It pops up in seconds and folds flat for compact storage. The breathable mesh design reduces odors while the wide opening makes loading and unloading easy. A built-in side pocket keeps small items sorted. Perfect for laundry, toys, or travel, this durable, space-saving hamper is a must-have for any home. Simplify your routine with a hamper that works as hard as you do. Keep your drinks warm with the AksBlay Smart Mug Warmer. With 3 temperature settings, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures your coffee, tea, or cocoa stays perfectly warm. The auto shutoff function provides safety after 4 hours, while the adjustable bottom light adds a stylish touch. Designed for home or office use, its sleek and compact design makes it a perfect gift. Keep your pet happy and well-fed with the VOLUAS Automatic Cat Feeder. This smart feeder dispenses up to 4 meals daily with customizable portions, ensuring a healthy diet. The 10-second voice recorder lets you call your pet to eat, while the desiccant bag keeps food fresh. With USB and battery power options, it guarantees feeding even during outages. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your furry friend is taken care of anytime. Experience effortless blending with the Ritus Cordless Stick Immersion Blender. Featuring a powerful rechargeable battery, this 5-in-1 tool gives you total freedom in the kitchen. Its high-torque motor and stainless steel blades make smoothies, soups, and baby food a breeze. Variable speed control ensures precision, while the anti-splash design keeps your space spotless. Complete with a whisk, chopper, and frother, this versatile blender makes meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Make cleaning effortless with the Collapsible Wash Basin 9 liters. This space-saving dish tub features a built-in drain plug for easy water release, while its sturdy BPA-free material ensures long-lasting durability. The foldable design reduces clutter, and double carry handles make transport a breeze. With a 9-liter capacity, it's perfect for washing dishes, laundry, and camping. Whether at home or on the go, enjoy convenience and efficiency with this must-have portable wash basin. The HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pump is the ultimate portable solution for cyclists. Compact yet powerful, it inflates tires in just 25 seconds, reaching up to 150 psi. Weighing only 0.56 pounds, it's easy to carry, ideal for road bikes, mountain bikes, and motorbikes. With a built-in precision sensor, it automatically shuts off at the set pressure. Enjoy the 360-degree rotating hose, memory function, and included accessories like adapters and cables. It's a must-have for every cyclist, reliable and efficient for all your biking adventures. Introducing the LED flashlight gloves, the ultimate hands-free lighting solution for any man who loves outdoor adventures or DIY projects. Designed with breathable, flexible fabric, these gloves offer a comfortable, adjustable fit, perfect for all hand sizes. Water-resistant and durable, they're built to withstand tough conditions. The set includes gloves with pre-installed batteries, a screwdriver, and extra button cell batteries. Perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, or any activity. Experience ultimate comfort with the VEVOR Towel Warmer 20 liters, designed to evenly heat towels, bathrobes, and blankets with precision. Its 20-liter capacity holds up to 2 oversized towels, while a 24-hour delay timer and customizable fragrance add convenience and luxury. Crafted with flame-retardant materials, it ensures safety with a child lock and high-temp indicator. Transform daily routines into moments of warmth and relaxation with this durable, innovative towel warmer. The VEWIOR Air Purifier delivers cleaner, healthier air with its advanced H13 True HEPA filtration system, removing 99.97% of allergens, odors, and pollutants. Covering up to 600 square feet, it features real-time air quality monitoring, ultra-quiet operation, adjustable fan speeds, and a built-in aromatherapy diffuser. With energy-saving timers and modern design, it's the perfect blend of functionality and style. Struggling with jar lids? The one-touch electric jar opener makes it effortless. Just press a button, and it automatically grips jars 1.2 to 3.5 inches and twists lids off in seconds. Perfect for arthritis, weak hands, or busy cooks. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this must-have kitchen tool transforms frustration into simplicity. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in buying this product, check the description box below.